Hey there, it's David from Unios. 2020 saw the release of 3 core linear ranges, including our LX Infinity series. Today, I'm excited to show you our new joiner, the Nexus connection system. Joiners out there on the market solely rely on friction to keep the two profiles together. The risk in that is when joining the two, they may pull apart, causing a light leakage band between the two joins of profiles. Over the last 12 months, we've gone back to the drawing board and we've reintroduced a joiner that causes a pulling action, keeping the two profiles together even when installed. So what does that consist of? We've got 3 parts here: the interconnecting piece, the anchor piece, and the threaded rod. Let's show you how this all connects together. So I've got 2 profiles here for you today, showcasing our new LX Honeycomb series, part of the architectural range. A good point to note is when they arrive on site, the Nexus connection pieces are already pre-installed for the installer's convenience. This saves a lot of time mucking around with joiners on site. Simply remove the optical accessories, all you need is a flathead screwdriver, and then you'll see the 2 connecting pieces. A key note is to ensure that the 3 screws for the longer piece are actually on the inside part of the profile and not on the outside there. Just a quick double check. What I normally like to do is flip it onto its side, aligning the ridges together, and a snap-in connection. From there, in the accessories bag, you'll find our threaded rod and the nut piece. With the threaded rod, slide it through the interconnecting piece itself, and then grab the nut as well. With the nut, I normally like to hand tighten it as much as I can via hand, to ensure first of all there is a tight grip, and then from there you'll also find an Allen key or a wrench inside the accessories bag. From there, with the holes on the nut, give it a nice tight turn to ensure just a little bit of extra tightness, as you can see. Also found in the accessories bag are 2 light shield tabs. All you have to do is peel off the paper side, ensuring the black finish is on the outside, and join them along the ridges of the profile, ensuring that when joining, the 2 light shield tabs aren't reaching the very top of the profile there. These light shield tabs have been specially designed to follow the contours of the profile. Black finish on the outside so it's unnoticeable from the outside, and to prevent any light from piercing through the profiles themselves. Flip it around. Just like that. From there, you would normally connect your 2 profiles electrically, whether it's non-dim or whether it's Dali, being a 3-core or 5-core plug. Once you've done that, all you have to do is reassemble the optical accessories. Grab your LED board, drop that in place, lock it in place, not forgetting the other side. With the Honeycomb series, we have the opal diffuser as well. Waiting for that click sound. and the final piece being the honeycomb. What I normally like to do is aligning the honeycomb, give it a nice soft push. Waiting for that click sound. Just like that. And that's it. That's our Nexus connection system. I hope this gave a bit more insight into one of the key features of our LX Infinity series, as well as a bit more in-depth understanding on the assembly process on site. Feel free to contact one of our distributors or our lovely Unios team members. My name's David, and thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it.